Now, Isaac Newton was the first to use a glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. So, he tried to split the colors of spectrum of white light further by using another similar prism, right? So, based on the primary analysis, he got to know that white light is equal to 7 different colors. But then what happened? He thought, can I obtain more colors by these 7 colors? Can he get more than 7 colors after if he does more refraction, right? If in case he thought that if I use two prisms instead of one, can I get 7 twos are 14 colors, right? So this was his question. So what he did, he kept on doing some combinations of prisms and he tried to obtain more different colors. But what happened? He failed. Why he failed? He failed because it is the fact that in white light only and only 7 colors are there. So that is why with all his efforts he was not able to find out more than 7 colors. Now what he did the reverse. Okay. So to prove that if white light can be split into 7 colors, can we combine 7 colors to make white light? So he did another experiment which is called recombination of spectrum. Recombination. Clear? Now he also showed that reverse of dispersion is also possible. Reverse of dispersion. Clear? We split white light into 7 colors. Now we combine 7 colors. So what he did, he kept two prism close but in reverse position. So what is shown in the screen is dispersion. Clear? Now let us see how he did the opposite of dispersion, that is recombination. So let us see how he kept the other prism to get white light again. There you go. You see the second prism is totally opposite direction. So what happens, you see white light splits into 7 colors. These 7 colors go inside the second prism and then there they combine to form again a white light. Now what is proved? It is proved that white light is made up of only 7 colors. If you combine those 7 colors, you will get white light only. Okay, so when light comes out from first prism it is split, but when all those colors enter the second prism they combine into white light back. So this process is called recombination of white light. Clear? So moving further to our next topic, that is very colorful topic called rainbow. Now since we were very small, we have been seeing the rainbows in which season? In monsoon season, right? So rainbow is a natural spectrum. Natural spectrum. What we studied till now was done by Newton. So it was an experiment. It was man-made experiment. But rainbow is made by the nature. So that is why we tell that as natural spectrum, right? So rainbow short note can be asked if in case suppose examiner is very happy and he is in a good mood. So for an easy question for 2 marks, rainbow can be asked. So in total you may write 4 different points to get the full answer. Figure again is not necessary as you cannot represent all those 7 colors and it is useless. But figure is important to understand. So the first point is rainbow is a natural spectrum band of 7 colors appearing in the sky just after a rain shower. Just after rain and when sunlight is there you can see the rainbow. It is called by dispersion of sunlight by tiny droplets of water present in atmosphere. So just after rain shower we have tiny droplets of water and when sunlight is there so that sunlight goes inside the droplets. You see, focus on the figure. uh, instead of the word called over here I am showing, you can use caused, right? So there might be a writing mistake, typing mistake. Okay. So now focus over here. A small raindrop is magnified. Now when sunlight goes inside these small droplets, refraction occurs. Refraction occurs and splitting also occurs. Okay. So this splitting is occurring and you see here the reflected color are going in the opposite direction. So we can say that they are reflecting internally. You see, this is a very complex process because refraction is also going on and reflection is also going on, and that too internal reflection. So light is coming from here, going inside the drop, becoming band of seven colors, reflecting internally, and then again going outside. Observer, you are standing over here. Wherever the arrow is pointing, we are standing over here. So you see in the front we are looking at the rainbow. So that is why rainbow is always formed in direction opposite to the sun. If you are seeing the rainbow in the front direction, the sun is at the back. Clear? If the sun is in the east, you will see the rainbow in the west. So rainbow is always formed in the direction opposite. Water droplets will act as small prism. They will refract and disperse the sunlight and then internally reflect to create rainbow. In case without the season of monsoon, you want to see rainbow, it can also be seen near waterfalls on a sunny day. Because when water is falling, mist, small droplets of water, if in case you are seeing them, you can see the rainbow. So rainbow can also be seen near waterfalls on a sunny day. So overall, in this we have 5-6 different points. Remember at least 4 points and write in the exam. Clear? So that is all about rainbow. Again I am telling, figure is only for understanding, not for drawing in the exam. But if in case you want to prepare a perfect notes, you can use different colors to draw this figure. Your notes will look very colorful. So I suggest you to use different color sketch pens. Clear? So this is all about rainbow, 4 points enough. Now we are ending this video, and again, as per our tradition, we have a question for comment section. So we have studied about rainbows and dispersion process. Now your question for today is, how many types of rainbows are there? You have to write the name in the comment section. Remember, how many types of rainbows are there? And don't forget to make proper notes with very good handwriting. I am getting the responses. Some are very nicely writing, but some needs to improve their drawings, figures, and their handwriting. So hoping for a perfect submission. That's it for today. Thank you.